Have you ever wondered if other dimensions lie hidden, just out of reach? What if there was a way to access them? From 1990 to 1995, Dr. Rick Strassman led one of the most provocative research studies of the modern era. He was on a quest to understand a mysterious compound called DMT, dimethyltryptamine, or as he called it, the spirit molecule. His work pushed the boundaries of science and spirituality, exploring whether DMT might connect us to other realms beyond what we see. So, what is DMT? It's a powerful psychedelic found naturally in hundreds of plants and in the brains of many mammals, including humans. In our bodies, DMT is chemically related to serotonin and melatonin. It's produced in certain areas like the lungs and, some researchers suggest, in the pineal gland, a part of the brain long associated with mysticism and often called the third eye. During Strassman's studies, he noted that DMT experiences had intense and often transformative effects, like visions, voices, and encounters with entities that defy human understanding. Strassman's research involved administering over 400 doses of DMT to around 60 volunteers in a controlled lab setting, making him the first scientist in 20 years to legally give psychedelics to human subjects in the US. Volunteers reported incredible experiences, describing intense visuals and powerful emotions that, for many, felt even more real than everyday life. Some felt they'd stepped out of this world entirely, into dimensions filled with intelligent beings. Because these encounters were so profound, Strassman called DMT the spirit molecule. Volunteers described seeing intricate geometric patterns, landscapes from alien worlds, and beings that appeared like insects or extraterrestrials. As the studies progressed, Strassman noticed something interesting. The experiences of many volunteers resembled near-death experiences, NDEs. He speculated that DMT might be naturally released in high amounts during death or in other altered states like dreams. This could explain why people who've had NDEs often describe similar visions or encounters. Although there's no conclusive evidence, Strassman's theory links DMT to life's greatest mysteries, from the origin of mystical experiences to what we might encounter at death's threshold. The pineal gland, often called the seat of the soul, has been the subject of spiritual intrigue for centuries. Strassman suggested that under certain conditions, the pineal gland might release DMT, potentially bridging science and mysticism. While conclusive proof is still missing, the theory is compelling. In 2013, researchers found evidence of DMT in the pineal glands of rodents, renewing interest in this mysterious organ. One of the most fascinating aspects of Strassman's work involved the volunteers' encounters with strange beings. Unlike traditional hallucinations, these figures seemed intelligent, independent, and aware of the volunteers' presence. Some described insect-like creatures, while others saw beings that looked more like aliens. The striking similarity of these descriptions led Strassman to speculate that these entities might exist in another reality. Could these be beings from parallel dimensions, only visible through the effects of DMT? So, what does all this mean? Strassman's work opened the door to new questions about our consciousness and its potential to tap into unseen realms. His research led the way for what we now call the psychedelic renaissance, inspiring modern studies on psychedelics for mental health treatment and spiritual exploration. But the mystery remains. Are DMT experiences simply illusions of the mind, or do they reveal something more? Could DMT be the key to unlocking hidden dimensions within our own consciousness?